Hi friends. How are you? Today we will make a simple rose with this clay. Please do not skip and watch the full video to learn all the process. First, let's make some small ball with the clay. Now let's take a single clay ball and light press and stretch it to make a petal. Please repeat the same process and make lots of petals. Once all the petals are ready, we will now take a small bamboo stick to make the base or the bud of the rose and carefully stick all the petals around the bud in shape of a rose. Friends, see, now our rose is almost complete. How do you find it so far? Please share your views in the comment and suggest what the next video should be on. After we'll fix all the petals, then we will start to paint our flowers. I am really excited to color our rose. Now, friends, we are all set to paint our rose. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon in order to see art and painting related content every day. Also check other videos that I have uploaded. I am sure you will love it if you are interested in art. Have come to the end of our video, and here's the rose that we have made from scratch. I hope you all liked it. Please share your thoughts on the comment below and also like and share the video as much as you can. It will do a world of good to grow my channel with a little help from all of you. I will upload new series of sculpture videos soon. Stay tuned.